We are in Sycamore, Illinois. I think I'm saying it right. We found a Long John Silver. We're here to get a Volvo maintenance service. This is one of the closest dealerships, so I figured I'd bring you guys along to see how it is to get your Volvo serviced. It's like when you hit 50,000 miles, like the service light and stuff will go on. So we went through Long John Silver drive-through. They're making our fish. And then we'll be driving right down to the Volvo dealer. So come with us. Hope it'll be a great video. All right.
No, so does the car obviously has a check engine light on, correct? There has to be a fault documented. Now, in order to properly diagnose the vehicle, we need to have it here, and the technician will go through it and see what's needed. So I can't really do much over the phone, but if the engine idle is too high, then I don't see how that would make it undrivable. The only conditions in which you shouldn't drive the vehicle is if the engine light is flashing. If the engine light's flashing, that's bad. But if the engine idle is just too high, that shouldn't be you need to stop driving it by any means. But, we would just need to properly diagnose the vehicle. Diagnostic starts at $190. When we're doing repairs to the vehicle, you can either consider that diagnostic being waived or be repaired. Okay? But we just need to set an appointment so we get diagnosed, and then we can go from there.
Okay. Okay.
Over here, our restrooms are right past the nose plate to your left.
Okay.
All right, we have this is the main Honda line. All right, we have water, coffee if you need it, nice big tea to help you relax. Okay. This is the Honda showroom. All right. If you get hungry, all right. Oh yeah, there's some snacks, but we don't have. I'll buy you one if you want.
I bought his lunch. I bought his lunch. Lady safe.
And then we do have breakfast snack machines right through this door and to your left.
Okay.
Okay, and you're more than welcome to help yourself. Okay. This is our brand new Volvo showroom. It just got completed about 3 months ago. Nice. You're more than welcome to hang in there and go look at the vehicles or sit down and relax in there. Okay. All right. If you want to jump into the future, it's really cool. We can come over to the Mercedes one. Okay. These cars are a lot of fun. Okay.
Oh wow.
This is what's coming. Okay. It's pretty cool. You're more than welcome to open the doors, look around, see what you like. All right. And then we have another more private lounge. Okay. All right. If you have a conference or a meeting or any kind of homework, you can come in here, close the door if you like. We also have water and coffee and a nice big TV to help you guys in here. So wherever you like, okay?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
We do, and it's no password. I think it's just guest cutest guest at.com or something like that. Gotcha. But it's easy to just access it and open it up.
Okay. You want to watch cartoons? Thank you.
You're welcome. Just anything you want to read, please let me know.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. We're gonna hang out in the lounge. I'm gonna let Trevor eat, but here it is. The Mercedes do look nice. At least Trevor has his own TV. All right, he just stopped by to show me the total was $822. He verified my address. I get free roadside assistance for something. I don't know. But I swear to God, guys, it's only been maybe an hour and a half. We're still watching TV, so we'll see. Pretty scary.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so that was $891.
Wow.
Yes. It was a lot of money. Oh, this is it. They washed and they cleaned it. Oh my gosh, it looks nice. $900, in my opinion, is a lot of money for oil change and maintenance. I'm assuming that's the fee you pay for owning like a Volvo or a luxury type car. Next time, I think I might do something different because I don't feel like it was anything unique that they do. So good luck with you and your Volvo as well.